Japan Diaries, come along with me. Mom life moments, cozy and free. Food, fun, family. Can't you see? Life in Japan with Hazel.
Hi guys! Otsukaru sama desu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Hazel. So, welcome to Japan Diaries with Hazel. So, ayan, today, isasama ko lang kayo. So, isi-share ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako umuwi galing trabaho, guys. So, closing ako today at time check 8:45 na po. So, ayan. Pag wala pong magsusundo sa akin, nagbabas po ako mostly. So, from the shop, lalakarin ko hanggang sakayan ng bus. So, andito tayo sa banda ng ayan, Ralph Lauren. So, yan. Lalakarin natin, tatawarin natin yung tulay, guys, para makasakay ng bus. Yan, samahan niyo ako. Ano nga ba talaga ang buhay ng isang working mom dito sa Japan? Glamorous ba? O puro work? Commute? Repeat? If you're curious kung ano ang everyday life behind the scenes, samahan niyo ako. Welcome to Japan Diaries with Hazel, where I share my simple, real-life journey living and working in Japan. Finally, out na sa work. Another day survived. Hindi man laging exciting, pero every time na natatapos ang shift ko, feeling ko may maliit na victory na naman. I've been working here at the outlet store for 11 years na. Akalain niyo yun? 11 years of waking up early, working hard, and doing the same commute almost every day. Minsan, napapaisip ako, ganito na lang ba talaga lagi? But then, I remind myself, every single day of hard work is building a better future for my family. Manyak. Sana makaabot ako ng bus. Kasi pag hindi, mag-aantay pa tayo mga 20 to 15 minutes. So makakarating ako ng bahay. Magti-10 na. Kasi lakad is life. Ang lola nyo. Kasi ang tagal na sa Japan, timawa pa rin. Naglalakad pa rin, guys. Wala kasi akong chideng. So, imamanifest ko sana magkaroon. Char. Kaya nalayo pa. Datulay. Diet na lalakarin ko, no? Tama-tama. Nagda-diet ako. So, kinakarir ko na maglakad gabi-gabi kasi hindi siya malamig. So, masarap maglakad sa gabi. Lakarin mo siya mula sa shop hanggang sa bus, mga 10 minutes talaga. Yan siya. Malayo-layo din. Tama-tama talaga kung nagda-diet ka. Lapit na tayo sa bus. Hinihingal na ako. Pang-apat na araw ko ng duty, sumasakit na yung time to catch my bus. Honestly, this bus ride ay naging little me time ko na. Walang meetings, walang customers, just me, my thoughts, and sometimes scrolling on my phone. Minsan, dito ko nare-realize na adulthood is really funny. Noon, excited tayong maging adult. Ngayon, excited na lang tayong makauwi. Nakaalis na ang bus, guys. So, maghihintay tayo. Ano ba yan? Antayin natin yung susunod. Ang sasakyan ko is yung bus na papuntang station.
And diaries, come along with me. Mom life moments, cozy and free. Food, fun, family. Can't you see? life in Japan with hazel tea.
Finally, narating din natin ang bus station. Now, it's time para maglakad naman ulit. I actually enjoy this part of the day. Tahimik lang, fresh air, and somehow, dito ako nakakapag-unwind. As a working mom, ang daming tumatakbo sa isip ko habang naglalakad. Ano kayang ulam? May kailangan pa bang bilhin? Anong gagawin bukas? Parang walang off button ang pagiging nanay. O ano mga momshies, relate ba kayo? Kahit tapos na ang work, tuloy pa rin ang mommy duties. Pero kahit nakakapagod, I always remind myself, one day, all these ordinary moments will become beautiful memories. Alam kong relate kayong lahat dito. Nothing beats the feeling of taking off your shoes after a long day. Best feeling ever, diba? Tonight, simple dinner lang together with my cousin. Hindi kailangan ng fancy restaurant para maging masaya. Sometimes, good food, good company, and finally sitting down after a long day. That's already enough. These simple moments are the ones I treasure the most. Life as a working mom isn't always perfect. There are days when I'm tired, and there are days when I question myself, and there are days when I just want to stay in bed. But life goes on. We keep showing up because that's what moms do. Hindi naman tayo superheroes, pero somehow every single day kinakaya pa rin natin. If you're also a working mom or simply someone trying your best every day, know that you're not alone. We're all just figuring life out one day at a time. And that's another ordinary day in my life here in Japan. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. Kung nag-i-enjoy ka sa panonood ng simple at totoong buhay dito sa Japan, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa Japan Diaries with Hazel at samahan ako sa mas marami pang kwento at araw-araw na buhay dito sa Japan. Kung may na-relate ka sa video na to, paki-like naman at mag-iwan ng comment. Gusto kong malaman ang kwento mo rin at kung saan ka nanonood. Tandaan, hindi kailangang maging espesyal ang bawat araw para maging mahalaga. Minsan, ang simpleng araw ang nagiging pinakamagandang alaala. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ingat palagi at magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na Japan Diary. Matane! God bless everyone!
Mauna akong bisita, gipakaon og pinobre.
I love it.
Yes, let's eat.